some reroll. Life nisam gledao pezda. Kaj je Agnes? Grlo boli.
Oh man, look where the niggas be at, right? In this position before, grandma crib, niggas outside of her door. Different days, same shit. Old Mac, new clip. 32 hollow tips, gloves, no rubber grip. I'm a boss, but niggas never show no respect. I catch them slipping, I have them tongue kissing. My tech won't come. Test me, pussy boy, don't try it. Police response, never fast enough to shots fired. Don't be stupid. Find out who you fucking with, son. Before we find out where your bitch get her hair and nail done. It's elementary. Life is but a dream, you know, roll on your boat. Your blood forms a stream after you get
The focus is gone. You have to focus when you do this shit.
The life for your life you took, bitch.
This shit.
Sometimes I sit and look at life from a different angle. Don't know if I'm God's child or Satan's angel.
Who was saved?
I keep hearing niggas saying I'm supposed to die tonight.
That was that dramatic fall.
This shit okay? I'm gonna ride tonight. Rolling. Whoops, I'm gonna ride tonight. Smoking. Straight coking.
Sum it up.
I
already showered, bitches.
Niggas wanna stick me for my paper and pray for my downfall. I understand it all, but me, I'm a little more.
Jumping like I don't care.
Niggas, so chances are I'ma have to blast me a nigga. I'm on that Kevlar, my best shit, that Wild Wild West shit. If
I care.
anyone wanna carry stones in my necklace,
You always have to do shit like you don't care. Suddenly you're better at it.
They feel me, know it sounds like that. But this shit is real, B. I don't talk that bitch shit.
Okay, 50, enough of you.
When I'm
On the pile.
Before I touch dirt, I'll kill y'all with kindness. I kill ya. My natural persona is
Juggle like you don't care.
if you've been born or if you've been born. It's like a cop in the snatching mind of his uniform.
Well, you should care a little bit.
Bottoms and boots on and hanging my balls from the horn of a unicorn.
Come on, focus.
Niggas handling mad slow, the facts know. Claiming you banging, you flaming, bet you can like you on baby daddy to pass on and basically resurrected my cash flow. I might rap tight as the snatch of a fat dyke, but I ain't rap tight. My blood type's the 80s, my 90s was like the 80s, you was like the Brady's. You still fly kites daily.
Okay, enough of this shit. Come on. The part.